Hey there, it's Dr. Alfie here. Do you know somebody who stands like this or even sits down like this? Do you know somebody who carries their head forward in front of a computer or a desktop? Well, let them know that they can actually be hurting themselves. The reason being is that when they have an anterior head carriage and sitting at a desk just like that, it can cause tremendous tension in the neck that can actually cause neck pain. It causes tension in the lower back and change your overall spinal health that influences everything from your breathing to your overall comfort when you're sleeping and moving. The posture pole is one of the tools that we use and recommend to people to improve their posture and reduce or reverse some of the changes of anterior head carriage from sitting in front of a computer. I'll show you a demonstration. Follow me. Firstly, you place it on the floor and you look for a space where you can actually lie down comfortably and be able to, comfortably lie down. All right, so basically you lie down like this. You sit at the end of the pole and you have your feet flat on the ground. And when you have your feet flat on the ground, your head should be able to rest properly, and then you bend your knees. And when that happens, you're nice and stable here. You're not falling over to the right or left. And what you do is you place your hand down even more to actually provide that extra little bit of stability. And along with that, you keep your shoulders down and you tuck your chin in. What that does is it lengthens your spine and it reduces the curvature in your lumbar spine, which is what we call the small of your back. Along with that, what you do is you place your hands so that your palms are facing upwards. And what that does is it actually opens up your pectoral or chest muscles, giving it some space and time to actually stretch and relax. And what you do is you use the posture pole on a nightly basis. Done properly and done regularly, it helps to lengthen the spine, reduce the tension in the muscles, as well as improve posture, because over time, those ligaments are designed to lengthen and improve with every usage. So there you go. Now that you've seen how to use the posture pole, you can help to improve you or your loved one's posture and improve their productivity and movement by grabbing one of these from our office. We're over in Altona Meadows and we can help you. If you have any questions, you can give us a call on our number or check out our website. We look forward to seeing you. Have a good one.